Hey guys, let me show you how I'm using ChatGPT to process the transcript from my YouTube video, create chapter marks. I don't know what they call them, chapters in the YouTube video, and then turn that into a dedicated blog post. So I'm going to do this. I've already done it, but I'm going to show you kind of the process. So first you have your YouTube video. If I go to play my YouTube video now, I'm on a desktop. If we look down here at these three little dots, you can see it says report and then it says show transcript. So if I turn on the show transcript feature, it's generating. Let's try it again. Let's see. Let's refresh it. I'm going to give it a second. Okay, three dots, show transcript. There's the transcript. I start with my cursor outside the 0. I come all the way down and I right click and copy. Now, what I did was I opened ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT4. I said, this is a YouTube. I messed up. I didn't paste it. So here I said, this is a YouTube video transcript. Please process this information and create 2 or 3 YouTube chapter markers for each main section in the video. I pasted exactly what I copied from the auto-generated transcript. Then what ChatGPT gave me was this, which is actually more than 2 or 3. But then what I did was I copied these time codes and chapter settings. I came back and I pasted them in. So let me show more. You can see right here, that's where I pasted them in, and you can see it turned it into these great little chapters. I can obviously review and change the headings, but it's pretty good. And then what I did was I went back to ChatGPT and I said, can you use the chapter markers from above and the transcript to generate a blog post of 1,000 words or more, include rich text elements, tables, bullets, numbered lists to improve readability of the article. Please use HTML code so I can copy and paste it directly into my WordPress blog. You can see we've got this. Now, it looks like I need to say, please continue working on that article. A lot of times, if it's more than a couple hundred words, you need to kind of prompt it to keep going. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my dashboard. I'm going to go down here to videos, and I'm going to show you how we're going to make a video post. So I'm going to click new video. I'm going to come in here. I'm just going to grab the exact title, copy. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to grab the URL for the video, come back here, paste it. Under categories, I'm just going to choose insurance because it's about Medicare. Tags, Medicare. Location, Monroe. Oh, actually, this one's about New York, but I'm just going to say Monroe, Ohio. I'm going to come down here. This is where the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on code view. I'm going to come back to ChatGPT. I'm going to go up to where I started. I'm going to grab this piece of the code, copy. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to paste it. Then I'm going to turn off code view. I'm going to drop down 2 lines. I'm going to come back. Now I'm going to click copy everything that's inside that black box. I'm going to switch code view back on and paste. Now you can see it says reduced by M. So now we're going to come back here. We're going to copy its MPPR. Let's come back here. Paste. Let's go back up to where we just were. Right here. We're going to get rid of that tag right there. I'm going to click save and let's see what we have. So Drop that down now. This is listed as an H1. I'm going to make it an H2 because there's going to be an H1 that automatically posts above. We've got this. We've got this. I like to add spaces between my headings and my blocks of text. There, just finish my formatting a little bit. Oops. And then I always like to put information about the author, and I've got that pre-saved on a Google Doc. Control A, Control C, come back in here, code view, scroll down, drop it right there, save. And let's see, Control A, Control C, word count, Control A, Control V, almost 859 words. It's good enough for a video post. We'll switch it to publish and we'll save. And let's take a look at what this video post looks like. Okay, so we've got the H1. If I right click, go to inspect, you can see that's the H1 tag. It does that automatically. Then we've got the video. Then we've got content about what's in the video. Now, I have no idea what it says. I have not read any of it. But what I'm going to do, it's public already. I can show you something kind of cool. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into Google Keyword Planner. This is the last thing we're going to do, and then we'll wrap this video up. So once we get in here, this is a free tool, discover keywords, start with a website, paste a URL, only use this page, click get results. And what it's doing is it's scanning the content on that page. There's 255 keyword ideas from that page. Some of the highest volume: physical therapy, occupational therapy, sports therapy. If I do a quick Control F and start to type in Medicare, you can see we have Medicare physical therapy, Medicare and physical therapy, Medicare therapy, Medicare covered physical therapy. It's a good one. I should probably write a dedicated post just on that. Medicare B physical therapy, Medicare reimbursement for physical therapy at home Medicare. We're hitting some really solid keywords in this. So that's it. I'm going to let that get indexed. If I really want to kind of get aggressive, what I can do is I can come in here, go to Google Search Console. I can click on that, start now, switch accounts to choose PT, paste, and then request indexing. And this will take a minute or two. I won't keep you guys on. And then this will put it into the indexing queue. But I've got a sitemap. It would index in a couple hours anyway. So this is not always a necessary step. Guys, if you have more questions like this, absolutely let me know. I think we can really start cranking out some high quality content and growing the traffic to any of our websites using these kinds of tools.